Going Chili's? It's right over there. I guess I go over there and get it, right?
It's right over there. I guess I go over there and get it, right?
And
Kick. Hey, 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 hey.
hello. So guess what? I've started doing DoorDash. So I'm parked in a town close to my work, and I'm going to open up the app because I don't think that you're supposed to open the app unless you can take orders. So I haven't opened the app yet. I signed up for DoorDash and I'm a little nervous. I'm just sitting here and I'm about to open the app, and look, I bought this big, it's like to hold the food, and it's got insulated cup holders. I got it off Amazon. It was like, I think it was like $25-$30. It's a big one. So anyway, I'm ready. I've went for the last, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years without having a second job. So this is just a little bit extra money to pay off some extra bills that I have. So I just got off work and I'm sitting out here and about to open this app. I've never done DoorDash before, so I'm a little nervous about it. So, yeah. So we'll see what happens. It'll be my first delivery. If I get any orders, I'm just kind of curious to see. I'm kind of nervous about it. So, I put Live 360 on my phone so that my husband can see where I'm at in case something happens and I come up missing. You never know. I mean, I don't know. I've never done this before, so it seems like fun. You kind of do your own hours with DoorDash, and you work when you want. You don't have to be on a schedule. You don't have to go to a place to work. So we shall see. Okay, so here is the app, and here's the Dasher app. So I'm about to hit this. I've never done this. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I'm supposed to. I don't know. Nervous. Here, pulled up the app. Let's see. It's my very first time. I signed up like a couple of weeks ago. So get started. Here we go. You're eligible to dash now. We'll ship your activation kit after your first dash. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Start delivering orders that don't require a red card now. Okay, red card. Start dashing. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Okay. So, let's see. Let's see what's up. Busy. So I'm up here. Let's see, Gardendale. What's that? Gardendale. Where's that at? That's Tarrant. Oh, no. I don't know what to do. I gotta dash now? Oh my goodness. Dash now. What's that? Allow activity. We use this data to improve assignments and reduce your wait times at restaurants. Okay. Select end time. What time is it? It's 4:30. Dash until 5:30. Is that right? Okay. So an hour? Okay, so dash until 5:30. Okay. Make sure you're ready for your dash. I have everything. Charged phone. Enough gas. Okay. Start dashing. I have read. Okay, yeah, we did that. Okay. Before you begin, I did. Oh my goodness. Oh no, man. What's up? Near. It's just wings. Pick up at Chili's. Oh my gosh. Refer a friend. This dash. What does that mean? Chili's, refer a friend. Looking for orders. What's the route? Pick up at Chili's. How do you do that? Okay, so pick up at Chili's. That one. Did I push that? Okay. Push that. Welcome. Okay. Does that mean I did it? I'm right by Chili's, I think. So, 3 minutes. Okay. Going Chili's? It's right over there. I guess I go over there and get it, right?
It's right over there. I guess I go over there and get it, right?
And I'm nervous about this. I hope I do this right. kind of nervous about it. Okay, well, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm on my way to Chili's, so, okay, so I'm on the, I hope this works out. I don't know. I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, so I just picked up the food from Chili's. I'm on my way to my first delivery. I'm really nervous about this. Okay, I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, I delivered it. He waved to leave it at the door, and I did. So I'm on my second delivery. It's a lot of wings, so this isn't so bad. I mean, at first I didn't know where I was, so I think I turned left here. Okay, so after this one, I'll let you know. It's not so bad. It's a little nerve-wracking when you don't know what you're doing. But anyway, here we go. Completed delivery. One of them was like a long way away, and not long, but I got lost. It was downtown where I live, Birmingham, and not where I live, but downtown, okay? And it was late because I got turned around. I don't know, the GPS told me the wrong place, so now I'm going home. I only did it for an hour, so it was okay. I'll have to look later and see if I got any money out of that. We'll see. And then there was another one that popped up, and it was for, I think it said 27 miles or something like that. I'm like, I think that's what it said. I'm not sure. I didn't even respond to that. Like, I cannot driving that far. But anyway, I don't know. We'll see. Get home and check it out. So this is my first experience with this DoorDash thing. I was stressed out. I was like, I don't know, but the GPS was okay, and it tells you when you've arrived and stuff, and I had to leave it with the guard shack. It was at a business. I left it at the guard shack, and he come out there, and I think he had complained. He's wondering where his order was, but I mean, I had to wait at Chili's for the order a little while, so, and I took 2 orders. Maybe I shouldn't take 2 orders, but I was already there, so, and I delivered the other one. It was closed, so we'll see. We'll see if this is going to work out. Okay, so I just looked at my thing. They're getting my red activation card and stuff together or something. It'll be 2 or 3 days if it's mailed to me. I made $16. I think it says $16 for today. Dash time 1 hour 7 minutes. Active time 50 minutes. That was kind of crazy. I guess I'll get better once I'm not so nervous, and I'm not gonna, I learn how to pick the orders. But I figured I'm already at Chili's, I might as well pick up 2, but maybe I should have done the other one first, but that other one was closer, so $16. I wonder if I get to keep that. I wonder when they pay that. I don't know. So I think I did okay for an old lady, but I'm gonna tell you something. I ended up on like a weird part of town. Like, I ended up on like a really scary part of town. I got lost. There was some guy that looked like he was cracked out talking to himself, and he started yelling at me, and I was on a dead-end road, and I got turned around the wrong way. I think the GPS told me the wrong way. And so I was like, I don't know. And then they tried to get me to take another order. It was like, I think it said 27 miles away. I'm not sure, but I was like, no, I ain't thinking of driving 27 miles to Denny's. No. I don't know. Maybe I saw it wrong. I was freaking out because I was in the middle of like downtown Birmingham, in the bad part of downtown Birmingham, okay, at night. And look at me, downtown, bad part of Birmingham, by myself. Don't know where I'm at. Freaking out. There's cracked out people walking the street. Okay, whatever. All Birmingham's not like that, but that part of Birmingham is like that. So anyway, I locked on my doors, and I'm like, GPS, tell me how to get back home. Just tell me how to get back home. So I was like, I'm locking all my doors, and I'm taking off. So I did. So I don't know, $16 ain't bad, I guess, for an hour of work, I guess. We shall see. So I guess I'm going to go in here and get my husband some tea he asked for, and then I'm going to go home and think about it. I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to try Instacart too, I think. And Uber Eats, I think. Wraps it up, you guys. I will let you know how it goes. How this DoorDash thing goes. So we'll see how it goes. I hope it works out. I don't know. Yeah. That was a little bit further than I thought. The one was real close. Like, it was only like 5 minutes away. The other one was a ways off. It was at a business. It was at like a called Alltech. Didn't even know it was out there. But it was all, I had to go like down this road, down this, oh, it was awful. But anyway, I think I can relax. I'm going to try not to freak out. But thanks a lot. See you later. Until next time. Bye. Yeah, I wanted to say I forgot to wear a mask in Chili's. I got so flustered. I forgot to wear a mask in Chili's. And I forgot to wear a mask, I guess. Are you supposed to wear a mask delivering, dropping it off? I don't know. I mean, maybe I should. I don't know. Ain't no mask been on my face that whole hour. That was the craziest hour of my life. It really was. It was the craziest hour. I'm surprised I lived through it. I mean, really, I was like, where am I going? I'm downtown Birmingham. And some cracked out guy is talking to himself, and then he yells at me because I'm on a dead end road. I got lost. Yeah. Okay. We'll see. I did it! I did it though, but I might have to have my main man Phil go with me next time. That's a surprise. Put him in the back seat and I'll have him with like a mask on and like his hat pulled down, look like he's asleep back there. So if somebody thinks that I have like my main man Phil back there as backup, don't mess with me. Don't kidnap me. Don't take me or nothing. They'd give me back, but still. I mean, I need a can of mace or something. Well, that was fun. Okay, bye.